So, you're thinking about a trip to Thailand in 2025? Amazing choice. It's a classic for a reason, right? But hold on, because a few things have definitely changed. We're going to cover everything you really need to know, from the new digital hoops you have to jump through to the one snack you absolutely have to try. Let's get you prepped for the land of smiles. I bet you can already picture it, can't you? Those incredible beaches, the street food, just the whole vibe. But here's the deal. Heading to Thailand in 2025 isn't quite the same as it used to be. There are some new rules, some digital stuff you got to do, and just some on-the-ground shifts you need to be aware of. Think of this as your new, updated playbook for an amazing trip.
Okay, so first things first. Before you even think about what to pack, there's a digital ticket you've got to sort out. And yeah, this one's non-negotiable. It's the very first step.
All right, remember those paper arrival cards you'd frantically fill out on the plane with a borrowed pen? Yeah, those are gone. For 2025, it's all about the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, or TDAC. Super simple, really. You just fill out the form online sometime in the 72 hours before you fly. Then, boom, they email you a QR code. That QR code is basically your golden ticket into the country. Just have it saved on your phone, ready to show at immigration.
All right, you touch down. You can feel that warm, humid air hit you. The excitement is real. But first, you got to conquer the airport. Don't sweat it, though. A little bit of prep makes this part a breeze.
Listen up, because this is a pro tip. Speed is everything. The second you get off that plane, make a beeline for immigration. Seriously, walk with purpose. Getting ahead of just one other plane's worth of people can save you an insane amount of time in line. Have your passport and that TDAC QR code out and ready to go. They'll ask a couple of basic questions, then stamp you in. But wait, before you rush off, look at that stamp. That date is the day you must leave by. Overstaying is a massive, expensive headache, so just don't do it.
Okay, you're in. Welcome to Thailand. Now comes the fun part, the big question every single traveler faces. Are you a mountain person or a beach person? Are we going north or are we going south? Let's get into it.
So if you go north, think Chiang Mai. We're talking misty mountains, incredible temples everywhere you look, ethical elephant sanctuaries, and food. Oh my gosh, the food. It's an adventurer's paradise with a super chill vibe. But if you head south, you're stepping into that postcard you've always dreamed of. White sand beaches, those crazy beautiful limestone cliffs jutting out of the ocean, island hopping, and some of the best diving on the planet. It's pure tropical relaxation.
Okay, but a massive heads up for anyone leaning towards the north. If your travel dates fall anywhere between, say, February and April, you need to know about burning season. It's when farmers burn their fields, and the air quality, especially around Chiang Mai, can get really, really bad. We're talking thick smog. As one Redditor put it, the air quality charts can be horrific. This isn't just a little haze. It can seriously ruin your plans for trekking or even just walking around. So definitely factor that into your timing.
Okay, so whether you've picked the mountains or the beaches, let's talk about the day-to-day stuff. The nitty-gritty of how to eat, pay for stuff, and get around without looking like a total tourist.
So here's something that might surprise you. Cash isn't king anymore in a lot of places. You're going to see QR codes for payment absolutely everywhere, even at tiny street food stalls. The big question is, as a tourist, how the heck do you actually use them?
Well, the short answer is, it's tricky. The main system, PromptPay, needs a Thai bank account, which you're not going to have. There are a couple of tourist-focused apps, but honestly, they can be a pain to set up and might have high fees. So my advice for most travelers, don't stress about it. Use a good travel-friendly credit card for hotels and bigger restaurants, and just carry cash for all that amazing street food and market shopping. It's still the easiest way.
Now, we need to talk about a true Thai cultural icon, and I'm talking, of course, about 7-Eleven. No, seriously, it's not like the ones back home. It's a backpacker's lifeline. This is where you will discover the magic of the toasted cheese and ham sandwich. It's where you get amazing, cheap microwave meals like basil chicken and rice. It's where you find weird, wonderful snacks and drinks. And when you're feeling totally drained from the heat, you go in there and you grab an ice-cold Pocari Sweat. You just have to experience it.
Getting around is actually super easy and won't break the bank. First, download the Grab app right now. It's the Uber of Southeast Asia for both cars and motorbike taxis. For a real local vibe, you gotta try a Songphao. They're those converted pickup trucks that act like a shared bus, super cheap. And of course, there's renting a motorbike, especially popular on the islands. But I'm gonna be serious for a second. Only do it if you have a license and insurance, and always wear a helmet. No excuses.
Okay, let's wrap up with what is probably the most important section. How to navigate the culture, avoid common scams, and just generally stay safe.
This is, without a doubt, the single most important piece of advice I can give you. You must be respectful of the Thai monarchy. It is against the law to say anything negative about the royal family. The consequences are extremely serious. I'm not exaggerating. There is zero room for error here. As the famous travel blogger Nomadic Matt puts it, just do not do it.
All right, let's arm you against a few of the classic tourist scams. Number 1, if someone comes up to you near a major attraction like the Grand Palace and says, "Oh, it's closed today for a special ceremony," just smile and walk away. It's a very common trick to lure you into a tuk-tuk and take you to a gem shop. Speaking of tuk-tuks, always agree on a price before you get in. And finally, the motorbike rental. Take pictures of it from every angle before you leave the shop and never, ever, under any circumstances, leave your passport as a deposit.
So there you have it. That's the intel. You know the new rules, you know the risks, and you know the rewards. You've got the scoop on everything from QR codes to cultural rules. You know whether you're chasing waterfalls in the north or sunsets in the south. You're ready. The only question left to answer is, what kind of story are you going to write in Thailand?